Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices climbed on worries that the escalating conflict in the Middle East could threaten oil supplies from the world's top producing region, but a large build in US crude inventories limited gains. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq edged higher, but were near two-week lows as investors watch for an escalation in geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, while a survey soothed concerns about a rapid cool-down in the US labour market. Markets remained cautious as Israel and the United States vowed to strike back after Iran attacked Israel. Investment outflows from the Fidelity Ethereum Fund exceeded $25 million on October the 1st, marking a new all-time high in daily outflows among all other United States-based spot Ether exchange-traded funds, excluding the Grayscale Ethereum Trust. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 14 GMT. Australia's exports at 1:30 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 3:35 GMT. The Eurozone's producer price index will be released at 9 GMT. The French 10Y bond auction at 9 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.